Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in the cybersecurity sentiment score at plus 0.11, paired with a momentum increase of plus 0.21. This is particularly striking when you consider that such spikes are rare in the context of ongoing industry events. Our API provides you with sentiment insights, including 20 semantic clusters that highlight the key themes driving this shift. For you, this means you can pinpoint emerging trends and threats in real time. Imagine you're building a threat intelligence dashboard. You can leverage this data to alert your users about a sudden rise in positive sentiment, perhaps indicating a breakthrough in a major cybersecurity vulnerability, or a new protective technology gaining traction. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's enhance your applications with actionable sentiment data.